So I picked up one of these small rig lights, not only because I wanted better lighting for my videos, but because I had another idea. So these come all boxed really nicely. Inside you get charging cable. These are what I'm excited about. I'll show you these in a sec. The torch itself, which does white, red, orange and blue. This little adapter for these, and it comes with a nice little microfiber carry case. What you do with this, you put this over the end of the torch, you open these, and you have loads of different stencils. The one I like is the window, a little Star Warsy kind of thing there, face tracking there. So you put these in here like that, turn your torch on. We've got blue at the moment, let's go to a nice little orange. And then in the background of your video, you can have a nice little, you can frame it better, and you can have a window. What I've done, because I can 3D print, is this. Yeah, it's the bat sign. Because why not? If you can 3D print, you can make crap like this too. It's the bat sign. If you want one of these torches, or if you've got one of these torches and you want the bat sign, it'll be on my Make World and the torch will be down in the description.